The heart of Ukraine. Once upon a time, there was a young woman called Maria who lived in Ukraine. She had a strong connection to the land, feeling a deep love for the rolling hills, the snow-capped mountains and the crystal-clear lakes of her homeland. But as much as Maria loved her home, she longed to explore the world. So, at the age of 18, she set off on a voyage of adventure, eager to see the world beyond her beloved Ukraine. Years passed and Maria traveled far and wide, visiting exotic locations and making many friends along the way. Everywhere she went, she told stories of her homeland, stories of its long and proud history and its beautiful natural scenery. It wasn't until Maria was in her late 20s that she realized just how deeply she had missed Ukraine. All the stories she had told meant nothing compared to the feeling of awe and wonder she experienced when returning to her homeland. Seeing the landscape again, Maria fell in love once more. There was something about the fresh air, the wildflowers, and the tall trees that she couldn't find anywhere else in the world. She soon decided to settle down in Ukraine and start a family. As her children grew, she shared with them all there was to love about the heart of Ukraine. She told them stories of the tumultuous battles in the distant past, of the daring exploits of Cossacks, and of the warm hospitality of its people. Years later, when Maria's children had grown up and left the nest, she set off to explore the world once more. But no matter how far she went and how much she saw, the heart of Ukraine always remained in her heart. The end.